In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on QuickBooks 2026, step by step. First, make sure you're signed into your QuickBooks account and that your vendor bills have already been entered. We're starting from the dashboard. To open the bill payment screen, head to the top left and click the plus sign labeled New. A panel will open. Under the vendor section, choose Pay Bills. This is your central workspace for selecting which bills to pay and how you want to pay them. At the top of the Pay Bills page, choose the bank account you'll use to fund the payment. This is important because it controls where QuickBooks records the money coming from and affects your account balances. If you use multiple checking accounts, double check that the correct one is selected before moving on. Now look through the list of open bills. Use the checkboxes to select one or more bills you want to pay today. As you make selections, notice the total updates so you can keep an eye on cash outflow. If you don't see a bill you expect, confirm that it's been entered as a bill and not as an expense, and consider adjusting filters like vendor or due date to narrow the list. Next, enter the payment details. Set the payment date to the day you plan to pay. This should match your actual payment timing so your bank register and cash flow stay accurate. Choose the payment method that reflects how you're sending the money, like check, cash, or ACH. Pick check if you'll print or handwrite a check. Choose ACH if you're sending an electronic payment through your bank or a connected bill pay service. The reference number field is optional but recommended. For checks, enter the check number you'll use. For electronic payments, you can add a confirmation number or a short note to help with future reconciliation. When everything looks correct, save your work. Click Save and Close if you're done, or choose Save and Print if you're printing a check right now. If you print, make sure your check stock is loaded and aligned before confirming the print job. After saving, the bill status will update to paid. You can verify this by returning to your vendors or expenses area and viewing the bill history. If you notice anything off, you can reopen the payment and edit the date, method, or bank account as needed. That's it. You've successfully paid bills in QuickBooks, kept your records clean, and set yourself up for smooth bank reconciliation.